7 big savings hidden in benefits of green roof restoration. In the search to find more sustainable living solutions, building owners and homeowners often overlook one crucial aspect of their buildings: the roof. Yet, eco-friendly green roof restoration not only dramatically impacts the environment, but also offers substantial benefits for your wallet and well-being. In this episode, I'll jump into 7 compelling advantages of choosing eco-friendly methods for roof restoration, demonstrating why it's a smart, impactful choice for forward-thinking building owners. Number 1. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most immediate benefits of eco-friendly roof restoration is improved energy efficiency. Traditional roofing materials often absorb and retain heat, particularly during the summer months, leading to higher air conditioning costs. Eco-friendly roofs, however, are designed to reflect solar energy, not absorb it. Materials like cool roofing systems can reduce your building's surface temperatures by up to 50 degrees during peak summer, significantly lowering your energy bills. This not only makes your home more comfortable, but also reduces the strain on your HVAC and other mechanical systems, potentially extending their lifespan. Number 2. Increased property value. Investing in eco-friendly roof restoration can significantly boost the market value of your property. Today's home buyers are increasingly environmentally conscious and value sustainable features in a home. An eco-friendly roof is a powerful selling point that not only appeals to this growing demographic, but also sets your property apart in the competitive real estate market. Furthermore, many buyers are willing to pay a premium for buildings and homes that promise lower utility costs and less environmental impact. Number 3. Longer roof lifespan. The right eco-friendly roof restoration materials are often more durable than their conventional counterparts. For example, the right green coatings restoration is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, resist chemicals, fire, rot, abrasion, and provide superior UV resistance. This increased durability means that your roof will likely need fewer repairs over its lifespan and ultimately last longer, providing a better return on investment. Number 4. Reduced environmental impact. Traditional roofing materials and processes can be harsh on the environment, involving significant energy consumption and waste. Eco-friendly roof restoration, on the other hand, focuses on sustainable practices. This includes using recycled or highly sustainable materials and employing methods that minimize waste. By choosing an eco-friendly roof, you're not only conserving natural resources, but also reducing your home's overall carbon footprint. This is a crucial step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, aligning your personal values with your living practices. Number 5. Better indoor air quality. The benefits of eco-friendly roof restoration extend inside the home as well. Many green roofing materials are non-toxic and free from volatile organic compounds (VOCs) that are often found in traditional roofing products. By avoiding these materials, your home will have better indoor air quality, which is especially beneficial for households with children, elderly members, or those suffering from allergies or respiratory issues. Number 6. Availability of green incentives. Many governments and local authorities encourage the adoption of sustainable practices through incentives such as rebates, tax credits, or grants. By opting for eco-friendly roof restoration, you may qualify for these incentives, further reducing the overall cost of your roofing project. These financial incentives not only help offset the initial investment, but also promote a broader adoption of green practices in residential construction. Number 7. Fully renewable. This one quality alone is a game changer in the roofing industry, where in the past it was a wasteful process of continuous removal and replacement. A long-term 20-year roof restoration system that is eco-friendly is not just a temporary solution, but a sustainable investment that extends far beyond the typical lifespan of conventional roofing. With advancements in green building materials and techniques, commercial property owners and homeowners can now opt for a long-term 20-year roof restoration system that is fully renewable. These cost-saving, innovative systems are designed with durability and sustainability in mind, ensuring that at the end of a minimal, 2-decade service life, they can be easily renewed, effectively giving the roof another 20-year cycle of robust protection and efficiency. This continuous renewal capability affects a significant shift in the current manner of the roofing industry. It allows for a roof to extend indefinitely, eliminating the traditional cycle of removing and replacing worn-out roofs. This not only saves substantial costs associated with roof replacement, but also has a profound environmental impact. By renewing the existing roof, the process avoids the generation of waste that comes from roof tear-off and disposal, as well as the energy-intensive production of new roofing materials. Furthermore, it reduces the need for transportation and storage of both old materials destined for disposal and new materials for installation. To sum it up, the shift towards such sustainable roofing restoration solutions represents a significant step forward in reducing our ecological footprint, promoting a more sustainable construction model that benefits both the planet and property owners. Eco-friendly roof restoration with the right green coatings and casement offers many benefits that extend beyond just saving money or being environmentally conscious. It enhances your building's efficiency, increases its value, and contributes to a healthier living environment. With the added possibility of financial incentives and a lower environmental impact, the decision to go green with your roof restoration could be one of the best investments you make for your buildings, your home, and the planet. If you're considering upgrading your building, remember that the roof is as crucial as any other part, and making it sustainable and renewable is a step in the right direction. Explore your options today and make a change that benefits your business, family, community, and the environment. You may like this quote from Julia Lorraine Hill, an environmental activist: "You have to hold yourself accountable for your actions, and that's how we're going to protect the earth." What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.